If you want to record slow motion videos on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, it is really easy. All you have to do is we need to go to the camera app, of course. Now over here we're gonna swipe up where we have different camera modes. You just have to swipe up like this in order to reveal more section. And in here you should be able to find the slow motion option. And this is how we can record a slow motion video. We can also change the frame rate. Sorry, not the frame rate, the resolution to full HD, so we can record using 1080p. We can also change the frame rate as well. So for example, we can increase the frame rate to 960, which only allows you to record like a couple of seconds actually, maybe even just a second or a quarter of a second. And in here, this spaced out area indicates the period that will be recorded. But generally speaking, the higher the frame rate, the more effective the slow motion will be. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.